Deanna McFarland here with Real Broker, and I am in my favorite Airdrie of Jensen. This community is amazing because it's perfectly located. You can walk downtown, you have the tri-schools, it's really grown up with rich trees, wide lots, and my new listing, 40 Jensen Crescent, packs a lot of punch. Come check it out. Welcome to 40 Jensen Crescent. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalow is situated on a large lot. It features an oversized double detached garage and RV parking. It also has a brand new roof, new windows, new floors, and fresh paint. The kitchen has been upgraded, 2 bathrooms have been upgraded, and it features everything that you could possibly imagine for your perfect growing family.